The briefing is an indispensable tool in the day-to-day life of marketing and advertising professionals. Working without a briefing or with a low-quality one is a recipe for disaster. Do you want to create one but don't know where to start? In this video, we're going to explain what a briefing is, what it should contain, and provide you with a template you can use to create your own. Let's dive right in. What is a briefing? A briefing, or brief, is a document that serves as a communication tool between businesses and marketing agencies. In it, the company must clearly explain what it aims to achieve with a project, for what purpose, within what time frame, and with what means. The briefing is not a one-size-fits-all document for all clients. The information it contains varies according to the objectives of each. Moreover, there will be variations when dealing with a small business, a freelancer, or a more established company with a client base. In some cases, the client may create the briefing from start to finish, either for the regular agency or to receive proposals from potential providers. In other cases, the marketing agency is responsible for advising the client by sending them a fillable template or even handling most of the document's preparation. In this scenario, it's crucial that the agency conducts thorough research on the client's needs. For this reason, let's explore the most common types of briefings you can use. Business briefing. This document focuses on your company's current and historical situation and the business objectives you'd like to achieve. Marketing briefing. This one is geared towards summarizing information about a specific marketing action you want to launch. Advertising briefing. This type of briefing includes the necessary details to kick off an advertising campaign. Creative briefing. Typically derived from the advertising briefing, this includes specific details at a graphic and design level, such as style guides or delivery formats. What should a briefing contain? To create a successful briefing, you should follow these steps. 1. Be concise. Include all the necessary information for the marketing agency to guide the campaign, but do it as concisely as possible. 2. Follow a logical order. Present information from the most general to the most specific. 3. Include sufficient information. Give the agency enough information to guide the campaign, but do it concisely. 4. Be understandable. Make sure it's comprehensible to all team members, both from the client side and the agency. Avoid excessive jargon from both the marketing world and the client's industry. 5. Clearly state goals. If possible, define objectives using SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Additionally, the information in a briefing will vary depending on its type. There's no universal template for a marketing briefing, and there may be small differences in structure and content based on the agency's style. In general, these are the elements that should not be missing in a good briefing. Objectives. What do you want to achieve with a campaign or project? Ideally, these objectives should be specified through a set of KPIs or key performance indicators, which can be qualitative or quantitative. They should be clearly defined, present a realistic challenge, and outline how you will measure whether they are being achieved or not. Target audience or buyer persona. This is the audience to which the communication is directed. This element is crucial for determining the type of action, communication tone, and channels to use. A useful tool for clarifying who the target is and explaining it to the marketing agency is the buyer persona, a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer. Company description. If it's the first contact between the company and the agency, it's crucial to include a section explaining the company's products and services, values, history, and the desired communication tone. Market situation. Understand the current market situation and its evolution over the past months or years, with data like brand positioning, sales figures, and the latest marketing campaigns and the results. Don't forget to analyze the main competitors. Project requirements. What features the project you want to launch should have? This section can vary widely, as sometimes you'll find very open briefings, and in other cases, the action to be carried out is already well defined. Planned actions. In this section, provide a more detailed description of what you're expecting from the marketing agency. It's important to clarify several different aspects here. The media and channels to the used, whether digital, online, mass, or ultra-personalized. Creativity. Do you already have a creative concept, a slogan, or a specific image to convey? How does this campaign fit into the company's corporate style guide? Available graphic resources. For example, colors, logos, formats, fonts, etc. Restrictions. In some sectors, such as healthcare, communication campaigns to the public must comply with a specific legal requirement. Therefore, it's crucial to include this information in the briefing so the marketing agency can take it into account. Budget. Sometimes the proposed budget may not be sufficient to achieve the objectives or carry out the specified actions. In such cases, it's the responsibility of the marketing agency to clarify the situation and propose more realistic objectives. Timelines. Include the project's execution and delivery deadlines, provide specific or approximate dates for the campaign's launch, and timelines for different tasks. Once again, it's the agency's job to manage the client's expectations to create an achievable timeline and avoid last-minute delays. Are you ready to start your brief? To make it easier for you, we've created a free template that contains all the important sections mentioned before. Click on the screen or use the link in the description below. And finally, don't miss this digital marketing course with everything you have to know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.